Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to use LED screen notifications on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. To make your device look cooler, you can use LED screen notifications. Here you can see the video that I present to the end. First of all, you can download the edge lighting application. Okay, because I have downloaded here, so I will open the application like this. Okay, if there are any requests, you can click OK, and then turn on display over other apps for edge lighting like this. Well, after that you can go back and then click Allow, and then here will appear some settings related to this application. Okay, you can tap the topmost option, and then you can set border color like this. Okay, and then you can also set the border type in this section, whether in the form of unique, name, emoji, and others. Well, after that you can set the run style like this. And then you can also set the speed, size, radius top, and radius bottom. Okay, after that here you can set the display notch according to your device. And then you can also enable display hole like this. But if you enable this feature, and then you cannot use the display notch feature. Okay, and then you can also activate the infinity display between U and V like this. Well, after that you can go back and here you can enable edge lighting for some app notifications. Okay, and then you can also set the duration of the notifications between 1 to 30 seconds. Okay, and then when you're done, you can go back and test the feature on your device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to use LED screen notifications on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.